ಹಲೋ,
ಸರ್. ಯಾ
ಈಗ
ಸರ್
ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ?
ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಸರ್. ಕೇಳ್ತಿದೆ ಆಡಿಬಲ್.
ಓಕೆ. So can we go to the next item now?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we have finished
Ticketing and nomination.
ticketing and nomination.
Yes.
Your screen, I have to share
Sir.
my. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, sir.
So this is what we have seen yesterday. This ticket reversal. You click on this button and actualize.
Yes.
Then reversal. All the documents will be reversed in the background. Okay. So now we will come to the movement scenario. This we are not covered now. Movement scenario.
That's it.
See, nomination process support numerous movement scenarios. See, movement scenarios are defined by carrying out the settings in customizing for document processing, ticket reversal, and for defining the basic parameters for each movement scenario. That's what we have done yesterday. One forward movement, one reversal we have done. When you did the forward movement, it has created sales order, delivery, goods issue. When doing the reversal, it has reversed the goods movement, deleted the delivery, deleted the sales order. So how this is possible? This is possible through this customizing for document processing. Okay. Document processing is defined and relevant applications are assigned for document processing, customizing for junction functions and document relevance. There is a terminology called junction function. Through this, we are doing this customizing for this document processing. Junction function link together multiple applications that are used for various activities such as document processing based on the events in special application. Functions are assigned to function groups and the sequence of function group is defined. See, there are in one actualization, we require many documents to be processed like sales order, delivery, goods issue. So all these functions are clubbed together and arranged in a sequence. So which you cannot do goods issue first. First of all, you have to do delivery, then only goods issue. So that in the sequence, which sequence document are to be processed, that also we have to define in the customizing.
Yes.
This is the place where we can do the customizing. Okay, TSW, then you go to nomination, then come to customize TSW movement scenarios. This is the node through which we can customize the TSW movement scenarios. This is the table where it is stored. Whatever customizing we are doing now is stored in TOIJL movement, MESCEN.
Yes.
Movement, these are all the various movement scenarios. The movement scenario number and corresponding schedule type, corresponding reference document indicator, and where it is applicable. Okay. So these are all already, it will be available. More some special scenarios only we have to do the configuration. Otherwise, in the standard, most of these sales order, sales return, all these things are already available.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Movement scenario is schedule type plus reference document indicator. These two combinations will become one movement scenario. 13 means it is a DR. 14 means OS. 15 means OT. So we call it a DT scenario, OS scenario, OT scenario, OK scenario. Yesterday we did this DG scenario, destination
And
sales, not
contract.
yeah, sales contract we created na sales
OG
DG
scenario.
OG scenario. Okay,
Uh,
so these are all the different uh, scenarios already available. Some more are there special scenario, then we can define. Customize moment scenarios overview. Okay, the moment scenario function group, then this is correction group, reverse group, because same reversal also if you want to do, then that will be a different group. Correction also means that will be a different group. A normal forward function, this is the group. Like that, this is the different scenarios. Junction function. See, this is the place where we will do the junction functions. Industry solution, IS oil downstream, general setting. It is not in the TSW node, it is in a different node, general setting. Junction function, define junction. So in this we have to do that junction function definition. Junction is the combination of different various functions. Okay. See, this is the application task terminal automation system. Junction is the load ID, loading IDOC, like that. Different TSW traders and scheduler workshop, ticket correction, customer capacity group, all these different scenarios. Ticket reversal, we'll see in the system. Define function group for the movement scenario. So these are the define junctions, define functions. Okay. So this function transfer out of transport system as destination location third party stock with STO. This is one scenario. 19 means sell into transport system at origin location SD contract with the help of the contract. 20 means purchase into transport system at origin location. These are all already the standard scenarios. If you see, it is all ME, means it is not starting with Z. If it is starting with Z means it is our own. These are defined by SAP itself. There are so many scenarios already defined. We can adopt that. Assign function modules to the function group in sequence. Okay. So this
yes, sir.
is the function group. Let us say 18. Transfer out of transport system at destination location, third party storage location. So these are in this sequence. These are all the programs. See, this function model means programs. OIJLDOCG create ST call off. This
Yes.
program will create a purchase order. SD call off means purchase order, like that. Create delivery. This is the program for create delivery. This is goods issue. This is the program for goods issue. Update nomination. This is the program where it will update the nomination. So in this sequence, this program should execute in the background in this scenario. Like that, for different scenarios, different programs are assigned, already assigned. All these are standard, already assigned. In case you require, it is not fulfilling your requirement, want to create a new function group, then all these programs you have to search, or you want to develop a new program, whatever way you want to do, then we can create the program, assign it here. This is other customization required in the TSW. Okay, TSW active. If this is not there, then TSW will not work. Okay.
Yes.
And close shipment means that shipment document, once it is processed, it will mark it as closed so that it will not be further processed. So in the external details, whatever update we have to do, that will be done through this customization. So this is the TSW customization.
Yes.
Basic customizations required. See, these are all different explanation. TSW active. That means TSW in the current system and client get activated when you select this. If you don't select this, it will not be activated. You will not do any of the functions of TSW, either nomination, master data, ticketing, nothing will work without this active button. Okay, close shipment means you can specify a TD shipment. There is a module ISL TD function. That shipment will be closed automatically when corresponding TSW nomination is complete. So when the nomination is actualized, documents are complete, and the shipment also will be marked as closed by the system only. We need not do anything. External details. You can specify if ISL external details shall be used also for TSW application. This means that F4 help is offered on the alternative location fields, and automatic update of the external details is done from within the nomination if the MOT on the external details is TSW relevant. Okay. Even if this flag is switched on, no update of the external details is done from within the nomination if MOT on the external details is not TSW relevant. That is the implication of ticking these external details. Then there is one more customization, reference document update is what we have seen. Reference document update. When reference document is selected, system updates the nomination dependent reference documents. When a nomination is saved, this indicator can set only the external detail indicator deselected.
Yes.
Okay. See, next customizations. There is TSW check and external details MOT. What is the implication of this customization is this one. TS check on TSW US in MM and ST document. If check a warning appears when enter purchase order or sales order referenced in TSW nomination. See, all purchase order, sales order need not be relevant to TSW. Whichever purchase order, sales order is relevant for TSW. So that in that, if you are making any changes, anything, then it will give an warning message saying that it is relevant for TSW. Transfer external details of MOT to TSW multiple MOT mode of transfer. Here
Yes.
specify if the MOT from the external details are copied to the multiple MOT selection of the TSW details screen. See, there is a one button, there is a screen in any purchase document or sale document, TSW details screen. That will appear if you select this, tick this. Copy is performed only when a new document item is created. So when you create a new purchase order, sales contract, or any reference document, then there will be a screen for TSW detail screen if you select this. See here further customization. Same TSW details activate TSW screens in sale documents. So if you want to see appear the new screen TSW detail screen, then we have to do this ticking, all this customization we have to do. Sale document type, in this sale document the screens we have to select which screens we want to see. Here you can specify additional screens for TSW detail dialog box available in sale document. Depending on the sale document type, system determines which screens to present. As a result, you can activate the additional TSW detail screens for relevant sale document types. If no screen is selected, TSW detail dialog box is not available. Got it, na?
Yes, sir.
You select only this, that additional screens will be displayed. The screens contain fields for information such as scheduling,
Nomination.
nomination reference, charter party lay time. An additional screen available to add customer specific fields. So these are all the lay time, charter party. If you select, that screen will appear. Want to define some more, then you can use the text screen, all these things. You can use this. Here W details pop up in contracts. So in case of purchase contracts, purchase order or purchase contract, you want additional screens, then you tick this in the customization. Here you can specify additional screens for TSW detail dialog box available in purchase documents. Depending on the purchase document type, system determine which screens to present. As a result, you activate the additional TSW detail screens for the relevant purchase document types. If no screen is selected, TSW detail dialog box is not available. If you don't tick it, this screens will not be available. Screens contain fields for information such as scheduling, nomination reference, charter party, late time. All these fields are available. Define valid relevance types. Okay. Here you enter relevance types for junctions interfaces. The relevance types are used to combine function groups that were defined in customizing with junction functions. Relevant document. Okay. Valid, define valid reference. These are all already available. See, This Z means there is a your relevance type you have defined.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this stock projection relevance, nomination relevance. Okay, see these are all to be required while creating the master data. So there these things we have to select. But for selecting, we have to first define what relevance types. So you have to define the relevance type so that it will uh, be able to define in the master data creation. Relevant document types. Relevant document type, relevancy fields, relevance. Sales order, sales contract, sales order, sales contract. Okay. Relevant document types. Then it is relevancy fields. Which are all the fields relevant for the TSWR? This Matner, the division, sales organization, plant, all these are relevant. So these fields will be checked with the nomination. Nomination में whether the same are there, Matner is same. In this reference document and nomination, same Matner is there. That checking all done through this customization. This is the customization for document relevance, define SD relevance. Here you can maintain the relevance of the document from the sales and distribution component of the traders and scheduler workbench, stock projection logic, etc. Use this customizing setting to make certain data in the SD document relevant to processes in these applications. So when you select these fields, then this will be copied or this will be checked while doing the nomination and ticketing. The system determines the application relevance of the data fields in the order of importance, starting with most important at the top of the screen. You can change the sequence of the field, that is their level of relevance in the relevancy fields. The level of relevancy you have seen. See this level relevance. This will be the first, then second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. During relevant determination, system searches for the most appropriate entry according to the sequence of the fields in the table. That is the functionality of this define SD relevance. Then define MM relevance. Similar to SD relevance, same thing for MM related documents and their fields. This is the purchase order, contract. Then these are all the fields. Okay. Define nomination relevance. Here you can maintain TSW relevance for nominations. So using this customizing, so you can make certain data and nominate relevant to TSW process. So this is the, we have seen this purchasing and sales document relevant. This is the TSW document nomination. TSW document nomination tickets. So you can change the sequence of the field, that is their level of relevance in the relevancy fields maintenance view. While call indicator in the relevant nomination types view and select any value. During relevant determination, the system searches for the most appropriate entry according to sequence of the fields. See, this is the for nomination type relevance. These are all the fields in the nomination. Transport system, shipment type, nomination type, location ID. This is the sequence. Define posting groups for movement scenarios. Okay. Here you assign function groups to movement scenarios that the system uses during ticket processing. Relevance type of nomination combined with the relevance type of the SD and document determine data dependent posting group. Okay.